Yes, today is another travel day and we are leaving Turku, Finland, and we are headed to Stockholm, Sweden. They have a game room here on this ship. Now, if you want to play hockey, if you want to go on an amusement park ride, motorbike, you know, beat your girl, your friend, or car racing, they got it all here. The Turku Cafe and Bar. I'm super excited for today. So today we are on Viking Glory and this is their new ship, and honestly it is so stunning. It's beautiful, everything from the cabins. But today we are going to see the gym that they have here. Yes, you can work out, get your sweat on. We're gonna see the spa and wellness center that they have. I'm gonna give a room tour of the Piccolo cabin for 2 people, and then we're gonna go check out the store they have on here because I gotta get some toothpaste because your boy needs to make sure his breath is minty fresh. But so far, this journey's, I'm excited. Look at all these desserts. This place is just stunning. Viking Glory, you guys have outdone yourself. Like, I think it's the lights that are just doing it for me here. And if you are a smoker, there's a smoke room. If you get lost, just look up because there are signs at the very top that tell you where things are. So it looks like the next floor is, ooh, look at this sign, Viking Terrace. Oh, it's raining. Now this looks like the casino area, which is closed right now. Also, this place has, I know y'all are tired, but this place has a little mini casino. So, or at least slot machines if you want to play. So now we're here in the shopping center on the boat. Yes, they have a shopping center and there's liquor everywhere. You can buy food, you can buy Finnish snacks in here. And the thing about this place is 40% off and it's tax-free. And that's why a lot of people love coming in here. Like, if you don't want to bring your own snacks, you can get Capri Suns on here. You can get cheese, you can get some meat on here. They even have frozen meat if that is what you like, and shrimp. Look at this shrimp. What drinks are these?
Sherry liquor from Åland Island and Jägermeister from Åland Island.
Åland Island makes Jägermeister?
Yes.
What? My bad. What was this one again?
Sorry?
What was this one again?
The cherry liquor.
Cherry liquor from Åland Islands. Cherry liquor from the Åland Islands. Oh. Oh, that was actually really good. That was actually really good. And then this one is the Jägermeister. Oh, was that like a moose?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. Wow, okay. Jägermeister from the Åland Islands. I didn't know the Åland Islands made Jägermeister. That's not bad Jägermeister, actually. It's kind of chill and simple. Honestly, this bottle was fire. I did not expect to buy one, but it's great. Oh, this store just keeps going and going. Oh, we made it to the snack section where they have Fantas. Oh, exotic Fanta. We don't have this Fanta in America. Is this Fanta good? I don't know. Someone tell me. If you want to rent a locker, €6. If you want to put your stuff in here. It's so crazy how at the market they have everything that you could possibly want. I did not plan on going in there and buying some cherry liquor, but I love the Åland Islands. And this cherry liquor was pretty good. That was not just all for the camera. Also, if you ever get lost, just come right by the elevators, and there are floor numbers, and it tells you what's on every single floor if you ever get lost here. How is Coke so popular? Every country. Every country. I did not plan on buying this liquor, this cherry liquor at the market, but cherry liquor from the Åland Islands, I love the Åland Islands, so why not? But that market had everything from toothpaste to buying warm clothes for the winter. If you wanted chocolates, and this is like Swedish and Finnish chocolate, literally whiskeys, red wines, sweet wines, beer, wholesale beer, so beer in 24 packs if you want to take it. They had everything now. So in the Piccolo cabin, you get 2 different beds. So one is a couch, and the other one is just a full-on bed. So just grab the handle. It's very easy. There's no switch. And then you get a washcloth. You get a full towel if you do want to take a shower. So if you in a pillow, if you want to get into a pillow fight with your girlfriend or boyfriend, a light switch, nice blanket. Actually a pretty nice, thick, comfy blanket. You get a blow dryer if you need to blow dry your hair. You have a little light right here, so if you want to put your makeup on, you want to clean your face, you get two USBs, 1 plug outlet. Then you have a restroom. Yes, you have a restroom with a working shower head. You get a little squeegee thing to squeegee up all that water. You get a sink. Does it work? Yes, it does. Oh, that's some good pressure. Hold on. You get a toilet. And yeah, that is the Piccolo room here. So I'm gonna take a nap. I definitely needed that nap, but we have to go work out now. So this place also has a yoga room. So all of this place, you can rent it out and then have this beautiful view of all the islets. I think they're called islets or isles when they're not huge enough to be islands. But this huge view, this massive TV. Like, look at this massive TV where you can do Pilates, you can do that, I don't know what that says, Viking pump, yin yoga, all these mats. This space could be yours. So this is the gym. You have towels, some citrus water with strawberries and lemon limes, stuff to spray the equipment down. Okay, so this gym it'll do the job. So if you want to do, some cardio, they got you covered with a beautiful view. Then you have this if you want to do some pull-ups, do some dips, if you want to do some arms, some kettlebells, and then some dumbbells, and then some mats to roll out your leg at the end. Oh my God, that's a tiny little lighthouse right out here. You know what, I don't know anything here, so let's just go with the quick start. It's crazy when you're working out here, like the views are just crazy. It makes you want to keep running. Like, look at this. That is literally the view when I'm working out and running. Okay, it's been a while since I've ran 2 miles. I have not worked out, honestly, since I left the military. Now we're gonna start working out again because I do not want to be a part of the trend when you get out, you stop working out. Okay, so I did the spa treatment here at Viking Line. And honestly, I think it was worth it. 29 euros for the gym and the spa treatment. Got me a Happy Joe right here. And I'm just watching, honestly, planet Earth just go by while I'm sitting here on this boat. There's a sauna in here. Got the rocks, even the thing to pour onto the rocks, but can't stay in here because I got a new tattoo. Place even has showers, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. This place is beautiful. I'm going to go find somewhere to just edit videos and try to enjoy like this nature. Thank you. On the Viking Glory, come to the market area. This is the best place where you can get some pastries. They have a pizza shop, get a Happy Joe, and then just listen to some live music. Do y'all hear that? Look at this. Just look how beautiful this place is. And then we love live music. So I got 2 different pastries. I don't know what they are. I know this one's some kind of donut with a jam in here, but I asked them what do they think is the best, and she told me these. And then I got another Happy Joe. All right, so let's try this pastry. Just look at that color. So apparently there's vanilla in here. I didn't get any vanilla in that bite. Oh. Okay, she was right. This is good. All right, let's take a sip of Happy Joe so I can clean my palate before I try this one. Oh, look at that rich color. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, donut does have jam in there, and it's delicious. Just look at that jam coming out. So I'm not sure, should I get the elk or should I get the wild duck? Like, choices. In this place, it's gorgeous. And they have a live pianist playing the piano right now while the homes go by. You have to love the detail of this place. So you get some bread and some kind of butter. All right, let's see if her recommendation was right. She told me to get this French red wine to go with the elk. Oh, that's a great wine, actually. Wow. Okay. So this is the elk for 24 euros. Thought I'd get a little bit more meat, but I guess not. And then she said this is some kind of, honestly, she didn't know what the word was in English, so I guess I'll try that. It's supposed to be like a risotto, but no rice. Oh, that's really rich. You know, they say elk is like really lean meat, but this is like sweet and it's definitely lean, but just there's not a lot of fat in this. It tastes like pot roast, honestly. It's good. I know what this is. I don't know what this is, but this is really good, actually. This is really good.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working,